Hi, Peter Robertson, William Porches Properties. Welcome to number 3 Goldsmith Road here in Claremont. An absolutely remarkable property. We're on 1,113 square metres of land. We're down by the river end of Goldsmith Road, and it's a beautiful hybrid mix of a 1902, circa 1902 original house at the front and a brand new modern contemporary architectural extension and new build at the rear. Seamlessly connected, beautifully integrated. Let's go and have a look. Among the many fantastic attributes of this house is how they've blended the old world character with the new and the modern and the contemporary. The character part of the house, with the more formal spaces, offers a really interesting mix of formality as well as relaxed living, which I think a lot of families look for, the ability to blend those two uses. And this house does it really well. One of the many fantastic attributes of this property is this brilliant north-facing backyard. This orientation lets you have an abundance of winter sun come into this big open plan living lounge dining space in the winter months, and equally it is a light, bright and inviting space through the summer months. All of these glass doors stack open and connect seamlessly through to this beautiful sheltered courtyard, verdant green lawn and beautiful blue swimming pool. A brilliant space, great connectivity again through this home, and a really good use of its orientation. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Number 3 Goldsmith Road here in Claremont. What a remarkable residence. The modern, the contemporary, the new and the architectural, combined with the beautiful character and the grounding and the earthiness that comes from being part of the history of this remarkable suburb. We are beautifully located, a stone's throw from the river. We're a few minutes from the Claremont Quarter. You've got some of Perth's best prestigious private schools around us. The combination of the home, the location, and the style is absolutely one of a kind. I look forward to showing you through.